thing. Oh well. I just want to get... I don't know if you can hear the water running. There's the stream, goes down there. Waterville, Maine, Colby College area. Walking trails. There's Penny. Hey, Penny. Oh, the snow is falling. And there's Cooper. Koopa! Koopa! Hey, boy. Come see Grandma. Okay, anyways. Walking back up. Out to the road. The dogs are loving it. Chris already biffed once. Ended up on his backside. Thought I was going to have to go rescue him. There's old Penelope. Isn't that just gorgeous? Thank you, Lord, for the beauty. Walking along. She's always in trouble. Hey, we're going to be going up.
All right. Right, we need to
Step it up.
yeah.
The end.